Hello everybody, let's solve Leetcode 1431 for absolute beginners, kids with the greatest number of candies. There are n kids with candies. You are given an integer array candies where each candies at index I represent the number of candies the ith kid has, and an integer extra candies denoting the number of extra candies that you have. Return a Boolean array result of length n where result at index I is true if, after giving the ith kid all the extra candies, then we have the greatest number of candies among all the kids, or false otherwise. Note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. Now we have we'll be giving an example. So example 1, our input array is 2, 3, 5, 1, and 3. So those are the amount of candies each kid has. So the first kid has 2 candies, second kid has 3, fourth 5 candies, fifth kid has, is this fourth kid, sorry, 1 and 3. Extra candies number is equal to 3. So let's first of all understand what this question is asking us to do. Well, we're being asked to return a Boolean array, right? Result indicating if after receiving 3 extra candies or extra candies, the kid will have the greatest candy amongst the other kids, right? So the first thing we need to do, we need to determine what is the greatest candy we have currently without even receiving any extra candy, because we need to determine the greatest number of candy in order for us to compare it to, you know, the other kids, to see if that kid has the extra candy after receiving, if that kid has the greatest candy after receiving the extra candy, right? So we will first of all determine the maximum candy and then iterate through the array, adding the extra candy to each value and comparing it to the maximum. Now, how do we compare it? Well, the question says the multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. So the condition will be, after adding the extra candy to the kids' candy, that value should be superior or equal to the maximum candy we found initially. So here is the code for that. I'll just show you. It's a simple Python code. So we first of all found the maximum candies, right? The maximum candy a kid has, and then we created a result array to store our Boolean values in it, right? So we then set this condition here for returning true, right? So we say the number, which is the correct number in the candies array, plus the extra candies, right? If that value is superior or equal to the maximum that we found here, we then append true to the result array. But in the case where it is not, we append false, and then we return result at the end of the day. So let's run this code, and you can see it is accepted, and we can submit this, and this will be accepted as well. So this is a very good solution, and I'll be explaining this more, into details on my live stream this weekend. So yesterday I also solved move zeros, right, which is an array based question as well. It is also an easy question. You can try that out. So you can follow up with the questions I solve every day in order for you to study with a clearer path, right? All right, so that's all. I think we're done for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.